Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. I am so excited. I am finally off the wait list and I received my very first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I have some good news too, if this is correct, hopefully it is. I heard that everyone will be off the wait list for next month. So everyone will be getting May if you are on the wait list currently. You probably got an email already. At least that's what I've heard from other people. So finally, we are all getting Ipsy Plus. I don't know why it took so long for me to get it. I've been getting Ipsy kind of for a while, but I've known people that signed up through Ipsy, like using my referral link, and they got Ipsy Plus like months and months ago, but I'm not complaining. I have it now and I am so excited. So obviously this is a lot bigger than the normal Ipsy bags. It's like not a bag, it's a box. Totally have something in my eye right now, but I'm just gonna roll with it, whatever, because I'm too excited. I want to see what's in here. So the regular Ipsy bag is $10, which I am also going to be getting at the same time, not at the same time. I'm also being subscribed to both Ipsy Plus and regular Ipsy. So the regular Ipsy is $10 and then this one is $25. So it's more expensive, but instead of a deluxe sample size, you get like full size items. I think everything's full size. I watched a few videos in the past, but honestly I haven't watched too many. And I definitely have not seen any for the month of April. So I'm not sure exactly what's in here. When I logged in the other day, I did like kind of glance at stuff coming in here. I try not to, but but I kind of know. But anyways, let's just get unboxing. Why am I blabbering so long? Oh, before I get started unboxing, I want to remind you all that I do have an active giveaway going on. It is for 2 of the Walmart Beauty Favorite boxes. I will leave that link down in the description box, along with the Ipsy link too, of course. But my giveaway ends April 13th, so if you have not yet entered, you should go ahead and do so. Why not? Worth a shot. Open internationally. And we're super close to hitting 4K, 4,000 subscribers, so I have an even way bigger giveaway planned. So I think we're about like 40 away right now or so. So if you have not subscribed and you love unboxings, I would love it if you joined us. And that will get us closer to our big giveaway. My giveaway is just a big thank you to you guys. I'm so thankful for all your love and support. You guys are awesome, you mean the world to me. But let's get unboxing. So when I open it up, this is what I see. It says Glam Bag Plus. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And then there's like blue styrofoam, which is different. And then there is a card on top, which I will reference. I'm guessing this says some information about all the items. This is a little different than the regular bag. It's more detailed. It has the values of all the items too. Underneath, this is what I see. It looks like it's like so packed the box is kind of breaking. So let's see what this says first, if there's like a theme or something. But it says, now in season, fresh spring beauty. Spring into a fresh new beauty routine. We planted your Eyebrow Glam Bag Plus with all the seeds you need to bloom this month, like superfood infused formulas, plant-based products, and juicy rich hues. Here's everything you'll get with your membership. 5 full-size products from brands you love each month, product info, inspo videos, and more. Access to Shopper, our online beauty shop where you can get cash back on every single thing you buy, and add-ons. Load up on even more Ipsy faves every second of the month at 6 a.m. PST. So it like folds out like this, so it's on both sides. And then there's like your glam bag to-do list. But whatever, let's get into the products. The first thing I see that caught my eye is something like Paris Hilton. She has a brand. Paris Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. I honestly have so many cleansers at this point, I don't really need one, but the name intrigues me. I have not heard of her in a while. She must have kept herself out of trouble these days and working on her brand. Assuming that she actually has this brand and they're not just using her name. But this is a huge bottle. This is 120 mLs. And on the back there's directions, which looks like just typical facial wash directions. And this has a retail value of $29. I don't know why I was about to say something else. $29, so that's more than the box itself, so that's cool. I already have so many cleansers, like I said, so I don't know when I'll get around to using it, but let me see what the claims are for this, because maybe I'll use it sooner. It says you might not be an actual heiress, but that doesn't mean you can't have rich girl skin. This cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar, lime, and pineapple-derived enzymes to brighten skin, cucumber to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage. I think that's actual caviar. There's fish in here, I don't know. I might put this in the giveaway. But it says exfoliating caviar lime. Will someone let me know what that means? So this might be in my 4,000 subscriber giveaway if there is any fish product in it, because I am vegetarian. But if there's not, that's cool because I like exfoliating. Oh my god, the next thing I see is an IT Cosmetic brush. I've heard such good things about the IT Cosmetic brushes and I've never used any of them before. I'm so excited. So this is the Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush, number 704. It's groundbreaking anti-aging skin infused brush hair. So this is the container it comes in, which is cool. Let me get it out of here so you can look at it. Oh, I like the handle on this. Look how like shiny this is. This is so soft. Oh my gosh. Like, I am totally going to use this tomorrow. Awesome. Let's learn more about it. Holy moly, this costs $48. It says you don't need an entire drawer of makeup brushes when you have one that does it all. Not only does this brush give makeup products an airbrush finish, blurring away the appearance of fine lines and pores, it also applies skincare like a dream. So you can use this for skincare too. $48, that's crazy. This is an expensive brush. I think I did hear that they were expensive before, but yeah, I'm excited to try this out. This is seriously so soft, you guys. I have so many makeup brushes, but I'm always happy to get more because I don't clean them all the time. Plus, I just love trying them. The next thing I see is by Benefit. This is a Eyebrow pencil. This is for a natural looking finish, highlighting and lifting. So this is what it looks like. I like Benefit's packaging. I honestly would have preferred to get like an actual brow product than a brow highlight, but maybe I'll fall in love with this. So this is what it looks like. Let me do a little swatcheroo. Ooh, it's kind of pink. Can you guys even see that? Because it's like my skin color, but a little pinker. So it's really creamy and nice. I'll definitely try it out. Let's see how they say to use it. I think you just use it like under your brow, but I wonder if you can use it like in your waterline too. Like I have a nude liner in my waterline right now. So this has a retail value of $22. It says when your brows need a lift, look no further than this creamy highlighter brow pencil. This matte linen pink shade pops on and accentuates your arches for brighter, lifted, younger looking eyes. Yep, you can apply it under the brow and above the brow if you want a more defined arc. Cool, so I'll give this a shot. That was so creamy, that really was awesome. Ooh, and there's a lippy by Jante Blue. I think we've gotten some eyeliners in our BoxyCharm by them. I've never received anything else besides the eyeliners. And those are like okay. I know a lot of people didn't love them, but let's see what this lippy's like. This totally looks like a shade I would be into. Now let's see how long it takes for me to get this plastic off. So this is what the applicator looks like. This color looks like it's gonna be so pretty. Oh my god, I am really into pinks lately, and that is gorgeous, and it's so creamy. I think I'm in love. I didn't even tell you what the shade is or anything else. This is a high definition matte lip gloss, and the shade is Endless Lies. Let's see how much this baby costs. This is so nice. Oh, is this like an extra for me? I don't see it in this pamphlet, so I can't tell you the price or anything like that. All I can tell you is that it is super pretty, and I can't wait to put it on my lips. So that must have been like a bonus item. I wonder if it's because of my first box or what. But yeah, that's not on the pamphlet, so I'll take a bonus item. Next thing I see is Lovecraft Beauty Blush Palette. I don't think I know this brand. Lovecraft Beauty. Ooh, so there's 3 shades in here. There's like one of those safety things on it, and there's a mirror. Okay, I can't even, I just kind of ruined one of the shades. Well, I didn't ruin it, but these are pretty. I feel like I like the, there's 3, the Altheda, there's Dauphine and Escalia. I probably am saying all the names of these shades wrong. But I like how there's a mirror. Let me read more about this and see if I can get that plastic off. Wow, this is a retail value of $39. And it says, there's nothing like the natural flush of your cheeks after leaving the gym or when your crush walks into the room. Luckily, this blush palette gives you the same pinky glow without the sweat or nervous butterflies. Enter Lovecraft Beauty with products formulated by makeup artist Francel Dowley. The brand is part skincare, part color cosmetics, and 100% magic. Ooh, so that is what the shades look like without the plastic over it. Definitely all wearable, pretty shades. Let's see if I can do a little swatchy-roo. Why am I'm so excited to say swatchy-roo? Who am I? These are very, very soft, and oh my gosh. So those are them. I did not swatch them in order, but these are pretty. I like them. I'm excited to try them, but yeah, like I think I will like the lightest shade. I don't know, I never really use peachy like shades, so maybe I like that middle shade too. I'm gonna definitely try all of them out. So definitely excited about that. $39, that's expensive. This is an expensive box. I'm totally gonna add up it all at the end. There's 2 more things. I thought there'd only be 1. How much is in here? Whoa. Look what is this? This looks cool. Moods by Laura Sanchez. Ooh, that's cool too. I like this already. I haven't even opened it. Oh, so this is like an eyeshadow palette, and it looks like there's some highlight shades as well, and a huge mirror. Oh my god, these are pretty fun colors for spring. This is a brand I haven't heard of either. Oh my god, this is cute. I like that yellow shade and the green. There's a brush included too. I know I just showed you, but there it is again. And the packaging on the outside is so cute. Like, this is super cute to leave in your vanity. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just dropped the brush on the ground, but I'll get that in a minute. Let's learn more about this. I'm not gonna swatch all of it. Will you guys let me know, do you like seeing swatches? Because I could definitely do a better job at swatching in the future if you do. So this is by Laura Sanchez, the Mood Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette. This is a retail value of $35. It says mood swings can get a bad rep, but sometimes they can inspire different makeup looks. Score. This all-in-one palette is loaded with matte and metallic shades of cheek and eye colors, an option for any mood you're in. Now you're equipped to express all the feels. This Colombian makeup artist was Nick's Face 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. That's awesome. I really love how Ipsy includes both like mainstream and indie brands, so you can really try new things. Like, I'm so excited to try a new brand. I feel like we usually get the same brands all the time in some subscription boxes, so definitely psyched to try this out. And then there's one more thing in here, and I'm really, really excited. This is Billion Dollar Brows Mini Universal Brow Pencil. And you guys know I've been wanting some new brow pencils, and now I have another one. I'm using the one that I got in my Try Beauty box right now. It's a little dark, but I like that. So this is awesome. And is this another bonus? I don't see that in here either. I don't think I added these on or anything. I'm not complaining, but these are not listed on here. And I definitely did not pick these like to be bonus items, unless I like totally been blanking, but because I just got, like, I didn't even know I was gonna get the April bag, the plus bag, because I never got an email, but I saw I was billed for it. So I don't know how I would have added on to it, but sweet. So that is what the applicator looks like. So it's retractable, which is my favorite kind of brow pencil. And I think I've used this before, but that shade looks like it will be perfect. Oh my god, you guys, I am so happy with this. So glad I'm off the wait list. So, okay, 2 bonus items, and then how many other items? Okay, there's like a mess in front of me. Hold on, let me. Okay, so we got the palette, the brush, the Benefit highlight, the face wash, the blush palette. Like, And then the 2 bonus items. Oh my god, this is such a good value. I paid $25. So let me add up the total really quick. Wow, the total is $173 for the like 5 items, not including the 2 like bonus items I got. I have no idea how much these 2 cost, but they're definitely adding value to the box because I'm gonna use them. I'm honestly so excited for everything. Like the one thing I just am not pumped about and possibly can't even use is the face wash, but that's just one thing. And also I can add that to my upcoming giveaways. So this is awesome. I am so happy I'm finally off the wait list, and I'm so happy that everyone's going to be off the wait list for May, apparently. Hopefully that's true. Sorry, don't quote me if I'm wrong. But this is awesome. I am so happy right now, you guys. I can't wait to do my makeup again. Like that, I love beauty boxes. They get me so excited and inspired and all that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.